back to the Edencraft headquarters. My name's Josie Eastman. I'm the General Manager here at Edencraft, and today I am going to present to you a very special boat. It's been delivered to Ben Cunnington, one of our very first ambassadors coming on at Edencraft, and we couldn't be more excited and happy to hand Ben's boat over today. He's an absolute legend, and we're just so excited to have him part of the family. So Ben has chosen to go with a 6-metre offshore, suiting all of his needs with his growing family and heading back to move home to the country. It's just a perfect boat that he can use in any conditions and take on all of his fishing trips. So you can see that he has chosen to go with black sides and the large Edencraft stickers, which I think looks absolutely incredible. It's a very classy and sexy finish. So I've got this 6-metre sitting on a 3-tonne Easytow trailer with the rotating spare and of course a boat catch. It just makes launching and retrieving so easy, especially if you've got a young family or you plan to do a lot of fishing by yourself. Now at the back of the boat we've got a 250 horsepower APX Suzuki with the fly-by-wire binnacles. This boat was hitting about 82 k's at 6,000 revs, and mid-range was about 40-42 k's at 3,500 revs. So perfect cruising speeds and a nice top end for you as well. And another point to highlight is always our stainless work. The boys do an incredible job here. You can see our custom made trim tab plates. We've got a full set of snapper racks. We've got our rocket launcher, bow rail, and everything just looks absolutely perfect. Really adds a lot of bling to the boat. So now up at the dash of the boat, I'll run you through the electronics package that we've chosen for this one. We've got a 16-inch Simrad with a 175 high-wide transducer. We've also got a fusion stereo system, a Sav winch anchor, and we've got our Dometic Seastar trim tabs with the new dongle, which makes it so much easier and more functional to use than the old style trim tabs. We also have a pie oven fitted in this boat, which is pretty much a prerequisite down in Victoria when you're going out on those nice cold mornings. You want to put something in there that will warm you up. Those of you that attended the Melbourne Boat Show might actually recognise this boat. Ben was kind enough to let us use the boat at the boat show, and he actually met the boat for the very first time at the boat show, and it definitely made our day seeing his face on the Saturday when he saw his boat finished for the first time. So can't wait for him to drive it out the driveway today. I would like to just finish by saying a massive congratulations to Ben, Belinda, Stella, Xavier and Kobe on their brand new boat. It's absolutely incredible, and it has been such a pleasure to work with you building this boat together, and I can't wait to see all the amazing memories you have using your boat, especially now that you've got a lot of free time on your hands.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it, and yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds.